Sawadee. Today we're going to visit the other side of Bangkok that you may have not known before. We're gonna experience the real local life, and it's actually my hometown side of Bangkok. We're gonna experience the real local life, visit a few stunning temples, stop at a famous artist house, and cruise along the hidden canal of Bangkok. I've been wanting to show you this for a long time, so let's get started! Alright, so before we start our journey, let's fill our tummy first. We're here at Ban Perndi. It's a grandma home-cooked restaurant along the hidden canal, and you can see all the wooden houses. And the food are looking so good, so let's dig in! Okay, so we just finished our lunch and I'm here with my sister, Parm. Hi! And our today's guide is P'Ohm. Sawadee ka.
Welcome to Hidden Bangkok Cab.
Where are you taking us today?
So I'm gonna take you guys first to eat, right? And after that I'm gonna take you guys to get the homemade ice cream from the local, which is called pizza ice cream. It's not so far from here. We are located inside the temple, which is called Wat Nakang, the local temple. Only 10 minutes walk from Wat Arun.
Yay, okay. Let's go, let's go. So P'Ohm is an expert here in this area, and he actually owns a Hidden Bangkok boat tour, right?
Yeah,
it's
the
a
boat tour
tour
and tuk-tuk street food tour.
And it's a it went viral at the moment.
Yeah, I'm trying to get the, in this country, one thing we're missing, we miss their local people history. Yeah, so I start to do the local.
Is that the inspiration why you started the tour?
Also, yes, and also I want to bring the people to see the real side of Bangkok.
The real side of Bangkok.
Yeah. In here, if you take a taxi from here to Khao San Road, I would say 15 minutes. To Sathorn will be 20 minutes. But it looked like, Tang Changwat countryside.
I know.
Yeah.
I was born on
this side.
Too.
Thonburi side. Yeah, the former capital.
But I've never explored this spot.
Yeah.
Particularly. That's why I need you, and I've been following you for a long time, and I know I want to support this type of tour because it's so hidden. It's better than going to the Grand Palace, and I mean it's a must-visit temple. But once you've done that, this is something that you must see. And I'm so glad I meet you now.
Oh, thank you so much. I feel when the people came to Bangkok, I think it's worth to visit Grand Palace or Wat Po or Wat Arun
for the first time.
For the first time, But at least you should cross the rivers and explore this side of the river.
Exactly.
Yeah, because then you can compare, between the touristy area and the local
the real
side.
Local side. Okay. All right, so it's going to be fun today, guys. Let's do it. So right behind us is the temple, and that is a school. It's such a small community packed in one cozy area. So we checked out the temple, and there's a group of people celebrating. It's called Hae Tien Khao Phansa, right? It happens every rainy season. What month is it? July. It happens annually, and there's people gathering around and then going around the temple 3 times, and it was such a fun experience. That's the thing about Bangkok, because you may bump into something that you're not expected and you end up loving it. Next, let's go eat ice cream. You like? So it's in the middle of nowhere in this community. Tastes like what? So in the middle of this cozy community full of trees and wooden houses, there's a very high-end ice cream. Tastes so good. I highly recommend you to check this out. It's only a few minutes walk from the temple, you guys. It depends on the day. Today it's not too hot, so I decided to just grab and eat, walk and eat. But if it's too hot, I recommend you to just sit inside the AC for a little bit. Take a break.
I think one thing is very interesting in here. If you want to buy a house here, when you deposit the money to the former landlord, and then they're gonna put the white paper, 30 days announcement. If someone's in this neighborhood come out and protest, you cannot move in. So it's to protect like the outsiders or the big investor.
I see.
Come and it's kind of like ruin their buildings. Also, like one good thing, if you look around here, it's very flat, like not so many skyscrapers.
Yeah,
Not because
exactly.
most of the land, like in this side, also like along the canal waterway too, the land belongs to the temple. It's a good thing about this. So the big investor, when they invest, right, they want to build like as tall as they can, like 50 floors, 70 floors, like become like Sukhumvit or Silom. They don't want to invest here because they can.
I see. Yeah,
because
exactly.
it's not their own land. Yeah, but there's pros and cons. So the younger generation, when they have saving money, let's say if they're 35 years old, they have been working for 10 years, they have saving money, they don't want to spend the money to renovate the house.
Yeah.
Because this does not belong to them.
Yeah.
So they rather just buy like little apartment outside Bangkok, like
Exactly.
outskirts of Bangkok, and they have their own parking lot.
Yeah.
Not because like the main transportation right now, car and scooters. Yeah. So
You're right.
like my generation and younger, everyone move out. In this neighborhood.
We're literally sitting in front, like right in front of the boat. And there's like a cushion for us to sit. It's such a new experience, you guys. I love it. I noticed the other boat doesn't do this, right? You cannot sit just like. It's kind of dangerous, but it's fun. It's once in a lifetime.
Alright, Swadee Krab!
Yay!
Welcome to Hidden Bangkok Boat. First of all, I would like to introduce you guys to our boat driver. Her name is Dan, okay? And the assist, her name is Sai, okay? Yeah. Dan got her boat from her grandma. It's been generation to generation.
Wow. How old is this boat?
This is about 65 years.
Wow.
Yeah. Well maintained, not gonna sink today, don't worry.
Looks so new.
Yeah. This is like their traditional teak wood boat. Back then, this boat used to be an old transportation to bring fruit and vegetable from Nonthaburi province, like north of Bangkok, to the flower market at Pakong Talat. And then when the main transportation shed, right now, like most of the people, like they want to take the long tail boat, which is like their faster one. Yeah, but this boat it's quite comfy, right? Yeah.
Yeah, it is. I love it.
And not too fast. Okay, we don't want to go too fast because if we go too fast, like we're gonna create a big wave, and that big wave might damage the people.
Life is already too fast.
Yeah.
This is the time to calm down.
Yeah. This is kind of like more sabai boat.
Sabai.
You can bring your own drink. Even like the food, like we got a table in the middle. Yeah.
And are we gonna head to the temple first or
We are going to head to the artist village.
Yay.
But actually, yeah, like you might see like a bunch of like abandoned houses on these old waterways. Not because most of the houses on the water waiting to collapse. Yeah. Yeah. Because mostly like the house owned by temple. There's a pros and cons.
When you take this boat tour and come to this side of Bangkok, it doesn't feel like Bangkok at all. It feels like somewhere else, like in the countryside. I think that's the beauty of Bangkok, because it's not just about the skyscrapers, the tall building, and the high-end restaurants. There are so many things to explore in one city, and I just feel so lucky that I was born in it. Really, I really am. This one is only 100 baht. 100 baht! Very well made and so cute. There's so many designs. So exciting. There's so many things that you can do here. You can sit, relax, chill, eat, drink, or make your masterpiece, paint, make a necklace, whatever. There's so cool. I love it. No wonder why, because my sister has been here for so many times and she's gone. Alright, we are in front and look what we bought. Oh, it's an authentic Thai dessert called Khanom Keo. Wow, I thought it was gonna be sweet inside, but it's savory inside. Jelly outside, but inside I'm not sure what it's made of, but it's sort of salty and savory. Interesting dessert. This is the famous artist house of Klong Bang Luang. It has opened up my new experience here, and my sister loves this place. It's a super chill vibe. You will see a lot of people painting, chilling, and right now I'm upstairs, checking out, you know, sitting right by the window, viewing the canal. It's such an amazing experience, you guys. It's my first time visiting here, and I would highly recommend you to come here and see for yourself how chill, how authentic, how local it is. So P'Ohm, we are heading to Wat Pak Nam, which is like the biggest, the most famous temple Buddha in this area, right?
Yeah.
Can you tell me a little bit of the history?
So what mean like the temple, right? Pak Nam means like the mouth of the waters. So basically like back then when people came from outside Thailand, they came by big ships, and then they took the big ship like cruise to this small canal. Like right now you are seeing like very small canal, but back then it was huge. It was a Chapia River back then. So this is like where the people came from like outside of Thailand.
And this is like another community because I just walked past the school kids. Like they just finished school and then, you know, food selling along. And at the temple. There's so many temples in this area, by the way. So
just only around here, like only 1 kilometer. I think probably more than 20 temples. Which means back then, it was huge communities around here. Because like the big communities like expand, start from the temple.
Exactly. The temples everywhere in Thailand. And in case you didn't know, so Bangkok has 2 sides, like the Pranakon side and Thonburi side. We are on the older side, Thonburi side. So Thonburi side was established as Bangkok first by King Taksin for 15 years only. And then later on they moved to the other side because they want to the river to prevent them from Burmese army.
And also like if you look through like the like Sukhumvit or Sathorn area, not so many temples, so it's easy to expand the city. Because you can't knock the temple down and then build another city. And that's why it's easier like to build like town like north of Bangkok.
And it's not too hot today. I love it. If you guys been watching my channel, you probably seen me sweat like a pig before. But not today. The sun is not out, which is sad because, you know, visually I cannot show you the beautiful video, but in real life I think it's nice. The weather is nice. This
nice is
like
and
cool.
Perfect weather is like for all Thai people we love that weather. Not too hot. Okay, one thing is about like pretty cool about this. Right? We are waiting for the raindrop and wash it. This is like the only way to clean it up. This is big Buddha. Brought from China, 7 part, and then they assemble in here. You can see the shoulders. They brought this Buddha by boat from China.
Wow. For how long ago?
About like only 3 or 4 years. Just finished it. And so a lot of things came from China, Thailand, including us.
Including me. So we are on the 5th floor, seeing Bangkok view right behind me. Look. And the big Buddha is just here. It's such a beautiful temple. Don't forget to check out this building, and then you'll see the prayer hall inside. Take the elevator to the 5th floor, out to this balcony. It's beautiful. And today is Tuesday. It's not so crowded. Palm, how you feel? You enjoy the view? Yeah. As you can see, Palm is holding the camera. She's my new trainee for Opal Story channel. My new trainee right here. And that's it for this hidden gem boat tour in Bangkok. I hope you enjoy it, and I would like to thank P'Ohm so much for today's tour. Anything else you want to say?
So we'd like to invite you guys come and check out Bangkok. You can see Bangkok from the water.
And this boat tour is run by you. You are the owner.
Yeah, I'm probably not gonna be able to join on the boat all the time, but I definitely will be around here. Say hi to you guys.
Here. So if you wanna, I suggest you come here a little early before your boat schedule to check out this restaurant.
Yeah, the food is so good.
I know, it's so good. So I'll wrap up this video right here, and I hope you enjoy it. If you do, don't forget to hit
like
and
subscribe.
And I will see you in the next one. สวัสดีค่ะ บ๊ายบาย ขอบคุณค่ะ